Hello everyone, welcome back to Lydia's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I want to share with you how to make a delicious dessert, banana fritters. It's a very simple dessert which can be eaten by itself or with ice cream, but with me I prefer eating it with ice cream. So these are the ingredients I'll be using: 1 cup of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 cup of warm milk. Over here I have a pinch of yellow food color, a pinch of salt, and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. And I have here 3 bananas. So in a mixing bowl I have here the plain flour. So I'll go ahead and add this sugar, rice flour, baking powder, nutmeg, and the cardamom powder, yellow food color, and the salt. So I'll go ahead and mix them all together. Then I'll add 1 cup of warm milk and mix well to combine. So the food color is optional. So I'll cover it and set it aside for about half an hour. Then I'll go ahead and cut the banana into 3 slices. Next, on a medium to low heat, I'll start by dipping the bananas in the butter and fry for about 10 minutes until it's crispy. Continuously turning them to avoid burning. And please, if you like this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up, like and share and comments. Now it's done and looking crispy outside and very soft inside. So I'll serve it with vanilla bean ice cream. So you can also have it with any ice cream of your choice. I prefer vanilla ice cream. It goes so well with it. And I'll be so happy if you give it a try, because trust me, it's very delicious on the hot summer days. Very, very delicious. So I hope you also try it. Now just have a look. It's looking so beautiful and crunchy. And it tastes very nice too. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.